Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is going to be an Empties products I used up. So Empties is a little late this month. It was supposed to be out at the end of last month, but see what happened was a lot of other videos came out, and then I got new ideas for the channel, and things have been changing up here. So I haven't had time to put the Empties out, but I know people are saying they enjoy the Empties, so that's what today's video is. We're gonna do the Empties because I gotta go take my trash out anyway, so perfect timing to do the Empties video. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. First item I'm going to mention is from number 7. It's the Instant Results Revitalizing Hydro Gel Eye Mask. It looks just like this, if you guys can see it. Now, ever since I got the Botox, I'm going to do a Botox update too, but ever since I got the Botox, I do have some dryness under the eye, more dryness than I'm used to. So these masks have really helped. These were actually sent to me from Octoly at number 7. Basically, you get 5 packs of mask in here, and you put the mask under your eyes for about 15 minutes and you just relax, and it's like a gel consistency of the mask, and then you take them off. Of course, you throw them out, and then you just rub in the excess, and then you put like your favorite cream on, your day and night cream or whatever. But yeah, and it's really been helping out with the dryness underneath my eye, because since having you know, the Botox, I do have that dryness under my eye. And it's so funny because a lot of people say, what's so different about you? You look a little different. What's different? The difference is you can see my eyes more, and I have no crows, okay, because of the Botox. That's the main difference. And of course, shorter hair, and it fits my face better, shorter hair, because it frames directly like to my face, so it looks really nice. So that's the difference, the hair and I guess the Botox. But the number 7 Instant Results, I'll leave the information so you guys can check it out below. But yeah, these are really, really good, and it's helping a lot with my moisture underneath my eyes, because my eyes were really, really dry after getting Botox. So definitely I would recommend that. Sticking with like mask, I have 2 face sheet masks from Bath & Body Works that have hyaluronic acid. These are so good, and my Bath & Body Works at the outlet, 75% off for these bad boys. So they're going for $1 and some change for these, and then you get additional 20% off. What? Yes, it's a really, really good deal, and this is great for moisturizing the face. So I really did like these masks. I did use up the Bolero cleansing pineapple and coconut lime facial wipes. I tell you guys all the time, cute packaging, nice name, being Bolero, being at the Dollar Tree, is alright. It's alright. Makeup remover wipes, I mean, there are better ones out there, but for $1 you can't beat it. So I got a lot of them. So that's that. I did finish up my Love Spell shimmer. Oh my god, I absolutely love Love Spell from Victoria's Secrets, so I will continue to buy it. I already have a backup of it, and I probably will get another shimmer one this summer for $6 when they go on sale, because I don't pay $18. Never that, never that. Okay, the next item is the Zest Fruit Boost. I got this at the Dollar Tree. The kids finally used it up. It smells so good. This is in the what kind is this? Citrus Splash. Really, really nice, and it's about 10 fluid ounces. So that's really nice. Great value for $1. Can't beat it. They also finished up the Soft Whisper. This is a body wash, and I got a piece of hair on there. It's the Soft Whisper body wash, hydrating body wash, macadamia oil and peony essentials. Looks just like that. We actually used this one as a bubble bath. So this was a bubble bath for the kiddos, and they used it straight up. Got it all gone. The next item they used up, which is, okay, we dropping stuff, okay, but we gonna continue. Let's continue. Is the Operation Groom and Go. You remember when I bought 4 of those last year? We're finally getting through all of them. I think this was the last one. This is a body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. We only use it as a body wash, so the kids finished that up. I got through fragrance, in-wash fragrance booster. Like I said, it just gives like smell to the drum. It ain't all that. I mean, it is what it is. But I like the smell it gives to the drum of the washer, so I keep buying it, and it's only $1 at the Dollar Tree. The next item I finished up from Bath & Body Works is the True Blue Spa Shea Butter Super Rich Shower Cream. Amazing. This is great for the wintertime. This is great when your skin needs that extra moisture, because it's very, very dry out. I would definitely recommend it. If I see this at the SAS, I am going to grab like 2 of them. I was going to say 3, but 2 of them for next winter so I can get through them. But you know, it's pretty cool, but it's not something I would use like in spring and summer, or not even in fall, just in winter. So if I could get 2, I'd be happy with that. The next shower gel I finished up was the Tutte Dulce, the pink peony cream. I wanted to use that up because I've had it for some time. It looks just like that. And I finished it up. It's really good. Not my favorite, because my favorite is White Mocha Kiss, okay? But it was good. It was good. One of the soaps that I was able to hold on to, because when I tell you these kids and me, this is not just them, it's me too. I throw soaps away. It's gone, I throw it away, and I keep forgetting Empties at Tina. Empties. When I think Empties, I think body care. I forget soaps, but I saved this one. This is the Frosted Cranberry Gentle Foaming. It was nice. It did its job. Now it's time for it to go. So I did finish that up. I got through Midnight Pomegranate. Great scent for the summer. Lord, great scent for the winter. Midnight Pomegranate is definitely a staple scent for me when it comes towards the winter. So I had to use this up. I've had this in my collection since 2012 or 2013. I'm like, girl, use it. Just use it. The outlet has Midnight Pomegranate all the time. You want another one? Go get another one. It is $7 all the time at the outlet. So I finally just used this one up because I really like the scent. So I wanted to use it up. I got through my Sleep Black Chamomile. If I can fix it, because the thing came off. It's because the oil made it so slippery. But this is Nourishing Body Oil. Glass bottle. Finally finished this up. Me and the kids were using it at nighttime after the nighttime shower and baths. And putting a little bit in that bath water. It was really, really nice, and it was really calming. And I don't have another one, which is sad. I have 2 more of the body washes, but I don't have any more of the oils. I think I got a lotion. I hope I have the lotion, but I don't think I have another one of the oils, which sucks. But if they do go on sale again for $6 and the outlet has them, I will buy one. Another item I went through is a candle. It's from Grove Collaborators. I call it Collaborators, but it's collaborative. I don't know why I said Collaborators. This is a soy candle. Eucalyptus and spearmint. This little candle right here, okay, this little candle right here gives off a lot of scent, and it smells so good. So this is definitely a candle I would repurchase. Another candle in here is this one, and I would definitely not repurchase this because I have 2 left. That's the only reason why I wouldn't buy it again, because I already got 2 left. It's the Hot Fudge Sundae. And the only reason why I'm not buying it is because I got 2 left, but it's really good. So if you don't got it, I suggest you get one. And when it burns, y'all, it smells so good. It's like you're in an ice cream parlor. It's really, really nice. Another oil I got through was the Essential Oils Mint Leaf and Bergamot. Love it. If it comes back SAS, ooh, I hope it's on the $2 holla, because I want to get like 2 or 3 of them. It smells so good. It's so good. It's so calming. It's so good in the winter. It's so good when you just need that extra mint and, like, you know, peppermint and just, I don't know, the relaxation of it all. It's just, ooh, some is still on there. It's on my hands. It's so good. Again, it's the Mint Leaf and Bergamot. Y'all, definitely a repurchase. I will definitely repurchase it. I love it. I was sad to use it all up, but I wanted to get through it, because why hold on to stuff and not use it? The next thing, this is a Justin Empty. He got through Ocean from the men's collection. Here it is. He used it all up, and Ocean is actually his favorite scent from the Bath & Body Works men collection. It's so cool to say my son has a favorite scent from Bath & Body Works. I don't know, proud mom moment. And he's almost done with his spray too. He loves the Ocean line. So definitely, your son or your man, definitely get him Ocean. It smells really good. It's Justin approved, so you know it's good. The next item I finished up was another one of the Zestfully Clean Revitalizing Shower Gels. Looks just like that. That was pretty good. Kids loved it. I loved them using it. So $1 at the Dollar Tree. Can't beat it. This was terrible. When I tell you Bolero, y'all, this is the body polish. Looks just like this. Don't buy it. Watery as heck. Ain't no good. Sucks. Looks just like this. Look again. This is what it looks like. Let me get closer to the screen. Don't buy this. Do not buy this. Even though it's just $1, don't buy it, honey. Don't buy this. This is crap. This is crap. Like, a lot of Bolero stuff to me is not good. I'm sorry. A lot of Bolero products are not good. Just putting it out there. The next item I finished up was Beach Nights Summer Marshmallow. Love it. One of my favorites from Bath & Body. Looks just like that. So I finished that up. Then we're going to move on. Here. Bolero wipes. Used them because I had them. They do the job. I think I might not buy Bolero wipes anymore. I keep saying that they don't come out with a new smell. And I'm like, ooh, I want to smell that one. And it's only $1. But I'm kind of over Bolero wipes. I really am. I'm over Bolero everything at this point. I got another sheet mask done. This is the Skin Goals Nourishing Sheet Mask. It was okay. I wouldn't rebuy this one. Because I like the one with the hyaluronic acid. I like that one better. We're almost done. I promise, guys. We're almost done. You're sticking in there, right? We're almost done. I got through a lot of wildflowers this month. These are the ones I kept. Oh my goodness. I kept these 6. Oh my goodness. Some of my empties are falling. But I kept these 6. It was a lot of them I didn't keep. But I went through a lot of the peppermint. Oh goodness. Not twisted peppermint, but that other peppermint, crushed peppermint. So I went through a lot of crushed peppermint and key lime pie. And those are my 2 favorites. So definitely will purchase that with wallflowers, because I love wallflowers from Bath & Body Works. And one makeup item, because y'all, I'm this close to being done with so much skincare and makeup. I cannot wait to next month empties. Well, end of this month empties, because I'm like this much. Like, when I'm telling you I got this much foundation in some bottles and this much stuff in a skincare bottle, I'm like, come on and finish up. Come on and finish up so I can put it in the empties. But I have I got a makeup item for y'all. I got a makeup item, y'all. This is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. My favorite pencil of all time. If you do not know how to do brows and you like me and you just learning makeup, or you don't even want to learn makeup, like I'm at the point where I don't even want to learn makeup, y'all. I just want to put it on and what it look like and just pray to God. God, please make it look good. Make it look right, God, please. That's where I'm at with this thing. That's where I'm at with the makeup world, okay? But this right here, got my brows. On my brows now. I absolutely love it. I will repurchase it. I will keep repurchasing it because it's the bomb. Again, it's the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. And let me see what shade I'm in. What shade am I? Because I sure forgot. I think it's dark brown is my shade. I thought it says it on here. It says number 5. Whatever shade number 5 is, I think that's dark brown or something. I'm shade 5. Whatever the shade 5 is, that's me, okay? And this pencil, I'll tell you, this pencil is like. That's it, guys. That is all my empties products I used up. What items did you use up this month? Let me know in the comments below. I love empties videos. It makes me use the products I'm buying, because if I'm buying them and I'm not using them, what's the point? Like, I don't got time for clutter. I got 3 kids and they clutter stuff enough with projects and stuff. I do not have time for extra clutter of my own. If I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna use it, or I don't need it, I need to give it away. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.